Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am super excited because today I will be doing my second Valentine's eye look. And the first look that I did, it was a really bold pink eye look and I really love that eye look so much. But today I want to go more of a glittery pink eye look. So hopefully I achieve that today, and I'm not going to talk too much because I really want to go ahead and start this video. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, my loves, let's go ahead and start this video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and already did my eyebrows and I went ahead and concealed my lip as well. If you guys don't have an eyeshadow primer, I always use a concealer to prime my lid. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyeshadows. And so starting off, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a fluffy brush, and using my Morphe times Jeffree Star palette, I'm gonna go ahead and grab Channel, and I'm just going to apply that as a transition color. So I'm gonna start right here. And then once you pack that eyeshadow in, I'm gonna go ahead and using the same brush and just buff it out a little bit. And as you guys notice, I am going in a circular motion. So now that the eyeshadow is nicely blended, I'm gonna go with the shade Calabasas. I'm gonna grab a new brush and I'm just going to start applying it right here on the outer corner. And then I'm going to start going inwards, just like this. So grabbing your brush, the one that you use to apply your transition color, I'm gonna grab Channel and just buff out the edges. Okay guys, so now that we add this beautiful eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my lid. So to cut my crease, I'm gonna use this baby right here, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I've used this baby so much. The other one just finished and this is a brand new concealer. I love this so much because it is full wear like it says right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my hand. And now grabbing my concealer brush, I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the concealer. I'm gonna grab my mirror and I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Okay guys, so now that I cut my crease, I'm gonna grab a new brush and I'm gonna grab Self-Made and I'm just going to apply that where I cut my crease. And then I'm going to add a shimmer color on that shade. I'm gonna go ahead and grab Don't Know Her. And then going with Calabasas one more time, I'm going to blend out the outer corner. I really want to darken this outer corner, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab Hi Dude. And then going with Calabasas, I'm just going to blend that color in. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing liner. This is the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. Okay guys, so this is how the eyes is coming out, and I'm gonna go off camera very quickly to do this side of the eye, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I went ahead and already did both sides of my eyes, and now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyelashes. Today I will be wearing this baby right here. This is the Batty Beat lashes, which is the style Batty. and I am super excited to wear this because they are absolutely beautiful and stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these babies right now. Okay guys, so I applied my lashes already, and this is how the Baby lashes is looking like. OMG guys, these lashes are everything. They're so fluffy, so long, and so beautiful guys. OMG, I'm so obsessed with these lashes. But anyway guys, we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of the face. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my primer. This is the Maybelline Master Primer. And if you guys see this, I bit down my lips the other day and it hurts so much. My lips get so dry in the winter. I put chapstick, I put everything, and it still dries up so bad. And as always, I'm gonna be using this baby right here. This is the L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour full wear. This is the shade 445 Vanilla. And I just want to quickly tell you guys, happy Valentine's. I hope you guys enjoy it with your loved ones, with your friends, family, and everyone around you. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer, and as always I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, which is the shade 360 Cashmere. And grabbing my Morphe sponge, I'm gonna go ahead and blend the concealer out. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. Today I will be using this baby right here, which is the NYX Wonder Stick. And now using my contour brush, I'm just going to blend it out. So now that I contour my face, I'm gonna go ahead and also do the same thing on my nose. And now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face. I'm gonna be using this baby right here, which is the Butter Bronzer. And using like a big fluffy brush, I'm gonna grab that bronzer and I'm gonna go like a circular motion. And on my forehead, I just want to just press my forehead so that way the powder stays there. Okay my love, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use my translucent powder. This is the Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this baby to really set my face. I'm going to dip in, pressing in. So now that my face is baking, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush. And as always, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me blush, which is the shade Rose. I'm going to smile and apply it on the apples of my cheeks, going like a circular motion as always. So today for my lips, I'm gonna be using this lip liner, which is from the brand Slick Makeup, and this is the shade 1265. And for my lipstick, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Matte Lipstick, which is the shade 570. And now grabbing a clean brush, I'm going to remove my powder. And now the final step is to do my under eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a flat brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and dip into Calabasas. And I'm just going to apply that shade right here. And I'm just grabbing this fluffy brush just to smudge out the shadow. And last but not least, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add a shimmer color in my inner corner. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab custom rims. So this is the Valentine's makeup that I did today, and these Better Be lashes are so beautiful. These lashes definitely changed my eyes. I just love these eyelashes because they are so pretty. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I upload a video. And without any further ado, my loves, I'll catch you guys in my next video.